do it yourself. Today we're going to tell you how to quickly and easily install the L-CL diffuser. Make sure you have the following tools to successfully install our product: pencil or marker, tape measure, square, utility knife or handsaw, and don't forget all the necessary personal safety equipment such as goggles and gloves. Use the pencil, tape measure, and square for the measurements you need at the installation point. Next, use the utility knife or saw to make the cut you need. Remove the excess material and the installation area will be ready. Before opening your product, make sure it matches the measurements you purchased. Remember that the measurement you will use is the base measurement, which should match the installation space. Remove the product from its package and use the fastening screws to install it. Ensure that you tighten the screws using a screwdriver according to the desired product position. If necessary, apply silicone around the product's edge to prevent possible leaks. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please contact us or leave us your comments. Quick and easy.